started our company with a clear and simple vision to make products we're proud of having on our own vehicles, made here in America. Back in the time when everyone else was offshoring production and they thought we were crazy for wanting to do made in the USA. It meant that our family and our team all had jobs, and that if our customers needed to talk to us, that we were available to them and not in a different time zone half a world away. Over the years, we've grown from making parts for just a single brand of car to making components for companies that specialize in deep sea water testing, and all the way up to stuff for our nation's space program and defense technologies. While our product mix has changed over the years, our commitment to making products that we're proud of right here on Florida's Space Coast has never wavered. I would like to dedicate this new and permanent home of SilverHorse Racing and Space Coast Precision to our team and customers that have made it all possible. I'm really excited about the grand opening today. Our team's worked really hard at getting it ready to be able to open it up to the public and let everybody see how we make things here in America. Our Space Coast Precision makes a lot of products for a diverse array of industries and customers. When we have a customer come to us with a napkin sketch or a fully engineered set of blueprints, we can get them to a finished product while it's made here in the USA. In closing, I just wanted to take a moment today and thank our customers, our guests, and our team members, because without them, this grand opening celebration wouldn't be possible. I want to thank them for their commitment to us over the years, because that allowed us to grow to the position where we're at today, and their commitment to making the products in the USA has kept us employed and kept everything going. It's not just a slogan for us, it's actually our way of life, and we're really thankful for them.